Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to filter some of the emails in your Gmail and move them to a particular folder. For example, in this example, I'll search something like YouTube. So all the emails from YouTube, I will filter now and I'll make them send to a folder called YouTube only. So first of all, after your search, you need to click on this drop down and click on all so that all the emails from YouTube will be selected. So once I did this, I need to click on this option, select all conversations that match its search. So the total emails now are selected, and this is the symbol to move these emails to a particular folder. So click on this symbol and click on create new, because as of now I don't have a folder name called YouTube. So what I'm creating is YouTube folder. Okay, create. So it is asking confirm bulk action. Yes, move all these emails to that particular uh, folder. So here my search time is YouTube. Instead, you can just make it with person email. So now the search will be something like all the email from this particular person will be filtered, and you need to select those all and click on select all, then click on the label symbol and you can create a label of your choice and move them. So the emails from all the emails from that person all will be selected and moved to a particular folder. In this way you can search with the email address, search with a word or anything. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.